The original video took more than 13 minutes. Here is the useful version, the design, the difficult parts, and the final test. This is not a normal Bluetooth speaker. It is a battery-powered boombox built around an 8-inch woofer, 2 smaller drivers, and a tweeter. The comparison is ridiculous on purpose. A JBL Flip 4 is compact and polished. This build is a homemade experiment in moving much more rare. The signal path comes first. Bluetooth feeds the main amplifier. The smaller speakers handle the upper range, while a separate channel drives the woofer. The front baffle is cut and marked before anything is wired. Getting the openings and mounting points aligned now prevents a lot of rework later. The woofer, mid-range drivers, and tweeter are test-fitted. This is where the project finally starts looking like a speaker instead of a pile of parts. Power is the messy section. Battery protection, switches, Bluetooth, and 2 amplifiers all need clean polarity, a common ground, and enough current. The repeatable process is simple. Measure, cut, strip, solder, insulate, and test one subsystem at a time. The original cut lingered here for several minutes. The blue light is the first real milestone. It confirms that the control electronics are alive, but not that the complete audio path is correct. Once the small drivers work, the base channel is connected, and the loose wiring is secured. In a portable cabinet, unsecured wires become noise or failures. The completed assembly slides into the enclosure, and the side panels close the air volume around the woofer. That enclosure matters as much as amplifier power. The finished boombox is rough, oversized, and deliberately excessive. It will not beat the JBL for portability, but it has far more cone area and low-end potential. The concept works. Cleaner wiring, a stiffer enclosure, and a properly tuned crossover would be the next upgrades. That is the build, without 10 minutes of dead time.